When it comes to my luxury bags, I occasionally like to do almost like a wardrobe check to just have a look at some of the bags that I'm not wearing to figure out why I'm not wearing it and whether that's something that I can get back into. And this happens a lot of times when the season changes because it's a great time for me to think about what I'm going to be wearing in line with the season. So obviously because of the autumn winter season, I'm doing a wardrobe swap over with my clothes and I'm starting to look at the bags that I think would go with a lot of the stuff that I'm unpacking at the moment. So in this video I wanted to quickly share with you what bags I'm looking forward to wearing this season. My returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Odette and I do fashion and lifestyle videos on my channel. So I'm going to start with this one because this is a bag that is significantly underloved by myself. I don't know why I don't wear it that often. I fought tooth and nail to find this exact bag. I did buy pre-loved. This is the perfect time to show it some love. It's made out of this felt material. Whenever you think about wool, shearling or felt bags, it kind of gives you autumn vibes a lot. So I think this is a perfect time to bring out this bag. A lot of the clothes that I've taken out of my wardrobe tend to be more on the neutral side of things. I find that during the colder months, I gravitate a lot towards neutral tones rather than very bright tones, which I would do typically during like spring and summer. So I think this bag is the perfect time to come out. Not only that, but a lot of these days when I go out, I carry my small umbrella with me. And whenever I carry my small bags, I always have to hold my umbrella in my hand, which is not a problem, but it would be nice every now and again to put the umbrella in the bag and just hold the bag as is. So this is definitely a bag that I think fits that bill, and so I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this. And again, it can go with a lot of stuff. During this time of the year, people tend to wear a lot of black, so I can see myself with an all black look wearing something like this. So this is definitely something that I'm looking forward to wearing. So this is the Celine belt bag. I bought it pre-loved from Fashion File. You can find a lot of Celine bags on the pre-loved market because this bag is no longer a very popular bag, so people are selling them. But for me, this is such a practical bag, and it's a bag that till today, whenever I take it into the store, well, at least the black version of it, whenever I take the black version into the store, and I'm going to show you what that is. This one. Whenever I take this one with the store, I always get compliments on this. You can imagine the amount of excitement or the amount of compliments I'll get if I wear this one, considering how much I get compliments on this one. And speaking of this one, this again is a staple autumn winter bag for me, mostly because of the fabric. So this is all leather and it's a grained leather as well. Because it's grained leather, whenever it's raining, this is likely what I'm going to pick up. And it's not good to take your leather bags in the rain. I'm not saying I'll be walking in the rain with this. Obviously I would have an umbrella, but if drops of rain touch it, I am not too worried about the bag getting destroyed or spoiled as I would some of my other bags. So this is definitely a bag that I love to wear a lot. When I wear this bag to work, I usually carry my laptop in a separate bag. Not because it can't fit in here, but the laptop and other stuff can't fit inside. If I was just carrying my laptop, this would work. But considering that I carry a bunch of other stuff with me, I put the other stuff in here and just have my laptop bag separately. So both of these bags are bags that I'm 100% looking forward to wearing this season. The other bag that I'm looking forward to wearing, and I've already started wearing it, is this white one, and this is the Alaya bag. It is crossbody. I love wearing white bags during the winter because I just think that there's something so chic about white bags during the winter. A lot of times people tend to wear a lot of dark colors because it goes with their outfit and it goes with the horrible weather. But when it comes to styling, like I'm happy to wear a plain outfit, but I would most likely have this bag. Can you imagine an all black look in this bag? And I know people discourage you from wearing light bags with black just because they're concerned about color transfer, but I think I would be careful with this bag when I wear it so I don't get the color transfer. I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this. I also like the bag because it has this feet. Another bag that I would wear, and you are not surprised to see this one, is my Chanel 19. This is one of my favorite bags in my collection. If I had to sell everything and keep one bag, likely it's going to be this bag. This is my black bag in my collection. I wear it with everything, and this is the season for it to shine. I mean, every season to me is the season for it to shine, but this is definitely the season for it to shine. It goes with absolutely everything in my wardrobe, so this is a bag I'm easily looking to wear this summer. It's a really good size bag. It has a zipper on the inside. It has this closure on the back, magnetic closure at that. My phone can even sort of semi-fit. Let me put this, yeah. My phone can fit. It wouldn't close, but my phone fits inside, and I have the Samsung 24S, so I have the big phone. If I compare that with the standard size iPhone, you can see the difference in size. So this bag carries quite a punch. I believe it can also fit my Kindle. It's a great day to night bag because you can wear a crossbody, but you can also hold it on the top handle with this chain here. This is 100% a staple for me this season, and we would go with a lot of outfits, including what I'm wearing. And with something like this, you're not afraid to wear it against dark fabric because there's no chance of a color transfer. Like, your clothes really has to be leaking black dye for there to be some real visible color transfer on this bag. Plus, with this material, this is goat skin, so it's extremely durable. It has a bit of texture to it, it has a bit of shine to it, ages quite well, so it's a bag that I'm super excited to bring out again. Most of this summer I wasn't reaching for this bag, and that's because I had a lot of other Chanel bags that I was reaching for, but this time around I'm very keen on wearing this a lot more than I used to. Sticking with the brown theme, and another bag that I haven't been wearing lately but I'm definitely going to pull out is this one. I mean, this has to be a staple for autumn winter. It's a canvas bag, but it doesn't mean that I shouldn't be careful with it, and I say that because raindrops actually touched the handle of this bag and there's some markings on it, so that's why I bought the twilly on here, just to prevent it from getting stained even further, because there are a couple of drops on this. So the bag is not rain resistant per se, but it's still better than some of the other bags that I have, and it's a lot more durable. When it comes to Louis Vuitton canvas bag, I'm generally not a fan of most of their canvas bag, just because I believe Louis Vuitton is the brand that has the highest amount of dupes on the market. Like, people replicate them so much, so because of that I've lost my taste for Louis Vuitton. But for some reason this pochette métisse is still a favorite of mine. It's a really good size and it fits quite a lot inside. It has 2 compartments. It can fit my Kindle, it can fit my phone. It's quite sizable. I could never see myself selling this bag. I don't know under what situation I would want to sell it. I'm looking forward to wearing it this autumn winter. I think this is the only Louis Vuitton bag that I actually own. So yeah, it's a great one. At the back you have the zipper. I never really use the back zipper pocket because there's so much space already in the bag itself. Another bag that I'm looking to wear a lot is this lambskin bag. With this one, this is just a gem in my closet, and you guys know that by now. When people always tell me that they're afraid of Chanel lambskin, I don't know why they say that, because I am not one to baby my bags, but this bag has really stood the test of time very well. It's great to wear as crossbody. It is small, so it's perfect for an evening setting. It's perfect for going out, particularly on days that I don't want to carry a lot of stuff with me. I'll most likely reach for this bag. When you start thinking about the Christmas season, you think about reds, you think about greens, and you think about whites, right? So this bag would be perfect, particularly during the Christmas season. If I'm going for any Christmas parties, I would definitely look to wear this. If I'm having an all-white look, this would look amazing. If I had to go for a Christmas party and I wanted to wear white and red, I would probably have this as a bag to add the green on top of it. It is a smaller bag than the ones that I showed you. That's just a compartment. My phone can fit inside. Not much more can fit, so I can fit my phone, my portable charger with the wire, maybe a lipstick, and my card holder. Not much more can go inside, but it wasn't meant to carry so much anyways. Out of all the bags that I own, the one that goes extremely well, my camel coat, is this one. And considering that I wear my camel coat almost all the time, this just seems like a bag that I'm likely to reach for, especially when I want to elevate the outfit that I'm wearing. It would most likely be this one that I carry. So most of the bags that I've shown you are more on the neutral side of things. So you have the browns, you have white, you have black, and even the dark green, I would call it neutral adjacent, because it can go with a lot of neutral stuff that you have in your wardrobe, including browns and camels, etc. However, I do have one pop of color bag to add, and that is this one. With this one, it's a bag that I rarely reach for, just in general. But I think that I need to reach for it a lot more. What I love about this orange bag is that it's very reminiscent of the autumn season. When you think about leaves falling from the trees, they're either brown or orangey brown, or within that spectrum. If I was to wear an all black outfit and I wanted a pop of color, I feel like this would be a great pop of color to add to it. The contrast is extremely beautiful, but there's something very on season about this bag as well. If I was wearing something brown, this would go well with it as well. You can see brown and orange complement each other so well. And like I mentioned, a lot of the things that I'm wearing this season is more on the neutral front. So this orange bag would complement a lot of the outfits that I plan to wear. The leather on this Loewe bag is a little bit soft, but it also has a lot of texture to it. So for me, it means that it's not going to easily scratch, and not to mention the fact that it has this feet. So I purchased this on the pre-love market a couple of years ago. I purchased it for about $1,000. And the newer Loewe bags that have been produced don't typically have this feet. This is one of the first Loewe puzzle bags that were produced. So I'm quite excited about wearing this particular bag. Let me know if you want me to do a video where I style all these different bags so you can see the different ways in which I wear it, particularly with neutral outfits. Do let me know in the comment section if you think that that's something that you want to see. So another bag that I'm looking forward to wearing during this season, a lot is my black bag. So this is arguably one of the only black bags in my collection that's not targeted for work. So I'm happy to buy black bags for work, like the Celine one that you saw, and even my the wavy talk that I always talk about. But when it comes to small black bags, I'm not really about that vibe. I like to stick to some of the dark colors that I have. But I decided to cave in and buy this black bag, and I bought it because it's a very simple black bag and you can easily transform it. So if you wear it like this, you can easily just have it as almost a wrist bag. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you reduce the size of the bag when you do that. Still, it's a great bag to have. So this I'm really excited about. The only thing about this bag for me is that when I wear it crossbody, and I don't know if I can see that, it sits just underneath my boob, and I would love for it to sit a little bit lower. So I did go to the store and ask them whether they could extend the, like, put at the holes here, and they said if I wanted to look exactly as this one, they have to send it back to the factory, let them do it there, and it might take up to 6 months. Otherwise, they can do it themselves in store, but it wouldn't look exactly like this one. So I said I was going to think about it, and I think what I'm going to do, I will accept their offer and have them send it back to the store. I don't think it's going to take 6 months. I do think that they tell you 6 months just so that you don't come back after a month and say, where's my item? I doubt it will take 6 months just to put 2-3 holes in this bag. No, I think 2 months is a reasonable amount of time. So I'm planning to go back to Fendi and give them this bag to add the holes to it. Considering how long the winters are here in the UK now, it gets cold till about, I don't know, April. I think I'll have this bag back in plenty of time to utilize it for the colder months. It's a very simple bag. You have to know that this is a Fendi bag to know that this is Fendi, because the logo is right here at the bottom. When you're holding the bag, people don't look at the bottom of the bag. You just see a couple of metal things here, but you don't know what it is. This is arguably going to be one of the most carefree bags that I have because of the color of it. This leather is smooth leather. I'm just worried that it can easily scratch. So far it hasn't, but I've also been a bit careful when dealing with this bag in particular. So the final bag that I have is the bag that I care for the least in my collection, and that is my Saint Laurent Toy Lulu. It's the So Black version. This bag is my errands bag when I'm going to do my hair. I take this bag with me when I'm going shopping. I take this bag with me. It's my most carefree bag in my collection. The good thing about this bag is that you can easily transform it because you can take out the straps and replace with another one. I do have metal straps that I put on this bag, and that's a great way to transform this bag from a day bag to a night bag. You can also wear it as a clutch, so if you completely take out the strap, you can hold it as a clutch if you really wanted to. I mostly wear it as a day bag because I have a lot of other bags that I use as a night bag. I will put a video of me styling it as a night bag. I was going for a date night with my husband at some point. This was sometime last year, and I took out the straps and I put the gold ones, and it looked really, really cute. This is also a great bag to take on holidays because, like I said, during the day you can have it like this. At night you just change the strap and it becomes a different bag. It has 2 compartments. They're not particularly big. This just about fits in the bag, but it's always a struggle to put something in and take something out. Even just now trying to take it out, I am fighting with the bag. I bought it when it was less than £1,000. Now the prices of this have gone up. It's a fantastic investment. It's a Saint Laurent bag, and then naturally I have my work bags that I would always wear. So those are the main bags that I'm really looking forward to wearing this season. Let me know what are some of the items that you're looking forward to wearing, some of the stuff that you have to take from the back or from your storage and bring back out and wear. Personally, I tend to do a lot of this big changeover with coats, jumpers and boots, but I also tend to look at the bags that I've been wearing so that I can rotate them and utilize all the stuff in my closet. So definitely let me know some of the things that you're looking forward to wearing this season. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. And if you want to keep watching more of my videos, I'm going to leave 2 recommendations here for you to check out. Thank you for watching to this point, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.